Extreme heat demands extreme protection. In power plants and furnaces, electrical cables operate under intense thermal stress. Fiberglass sleeves provide a reliable thermal barrier, protecting wires from heat, flames, and mechanical damage. They offer excellent electrical insulation, reduce the risk of short circuits, and improve system safety. Non-flammable, high-temperature resistant, built for continuous operation in extreme conditions. From power generation to furnace wiring, fiberglass sleeves ensure long-lasting performance and protection. Fiberglass sleeves, engineered for high-heat industrial environments.